Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, welcome. I'm Shannon Lee, aka The Veggie Nut, and on this channel I make all kinds of vegan related videos to help you live a more healthy, compassionate life. So if you're interested in that, hit the subscribe button down below. It's free, it's easy, it's awesome, so go ahead, go do that so you don't miss any future videos. Now let's get right into this one. So I might have went a little bit crazy, a little bit overboard. I stocked up on a bunch of Pacifica products. Some stuff I was out of, so I was repurchasing, and some stuff I'm trying for the first time. Pacifica is a cruelty-free, all vegan, and gluten-free, if that's important to you, brand, and they have some really high quality products, and it's definitely one of my favorite brands. I have really sensitive skin, and some makeups make me have allergic reactions and sensitivities, and Pacifica products never do that to me, so that's another reason why it's one of my more reached for products, because I know that, like, you know, I'll never have an issue with any of their products so far. I find that, you know, it's really gentle on my skin and my eyes. I have really sensitive eyes. Never have an issue with any of their eye makeups. I went on to Pacifica's website to purchase the products, but they were out of some stuff, so then I went on to Ulta to buy the rest. So yeah, I got all Pacifica products from either the Pacifica website or Ulta. So we'll start with the Pacifica box. So here we have some products. I got some eyeshadow palettes. I got 3 eyeshadow palettes, one in Beachy Punk, Pink Nudes, and Crystal Matrix. And I absolutely love their eyeshadows. I feel like they have a really nice pigment to them, and they last a while, and again, they are natural ingredients. They don't bother my eyes or cause any eye irritation. I got a black eyeliner, which I've had before, and I really like their eyeliners, and I actually ordered a white one from Target, which should be coming soon, but they have really good eyeliner. I purchased all of their liquid lipsticks. I haven't tried these yet, but I got each color, and I'm going to do a swatch and review video on this, so stay tuned for that if you're interested. And I bought all of their lipsticks, the Color Dreamy lipsticks in every shade, so I'm also going to be doing a swatch and review on these as well. I never tried them, so I don't know how they're going to be, but I bought every color with the hopes and assumption that they're going to be good. I bought 4 of the Color Quench lip tints, and I've had these before. They're really good. They just they really hydrate your lips, and they give you a little bit of color. If you're looking for a lot of color, it's not going to provide that. It's not very pigmented. It's just, it gives you more of a shimmery shine. They give you more than chapstick or lip balm, but less color than lipstick. It's a nice in-between. So if you're not really into like a lipstick, but you like a little bit of color, I would really recommend these. Pacifica recently came out with a liquid highlighter, and I am so excited to try these, and I bought each color. I'll let you know how these turned out, how I like these, so check down below. I'll mention it in the description. I bought 2 of their mascaras. I absolutely love their mascaras. I got one in Stellar Gaze and Dream Big, and I got them both in black. If you haven't tried their mascaras, give them a try. I know they're different, but I like them both, but some people usually, you either like one or the other, like one more than the other. Me, I'm still undecided, so I switch back and forth. I really like both of them. Pacifica recently came out with new lip balms, and I had to get one in every flavor, and I'm so glad I did. I just absolutely love the smells. And I also got this lip scrub. The smells of these are so good. Summer Kale, Indian Chai, Hawaiian Banana, Cherry, Mango, Coconut, and Watermelon. I think the watermelon is my favorite. Speaking of things that smell good, I got another perfume from them. I absolutely love their perfumes. They have my favorite perfumes ever. I have a vanilla and a coconut one. I have other ones too, but those are my favorite. And this one is Patchouli Berry, and that just sounds amazing. So I haven't smelled this yet. Let me give it a sniff. Oh, that smells good. It smells more like berry with a little hint of patchouli, and I personally like patchouli a lot. I used to wear patchouli oil like throughout high school. That was like my favorite perfume scent, and everybody would be like, you smell like dirt, and I'm like, no, I smell good. But I love patchouli. I know it's like you either love it or hate it kind of thing, but if you're somebody that doesn't really like patchouli, or you're just like, I could take it or leave it, or only deal with a little bit of it, that has more of a berry smell with a slight patchouli smell. Just such a great combo, actually. And then I got this Island Vanilla, which, like I said, I love their vanilla perfume, and this is a hair and body mist, so you know I'm gonna love that. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, that smells so good. I'm not somebody that likes floral smells. I don't like any of the perfumes that smell like florally, is that a word? I like to smell more sweet, like vanilla, cotton candy, coconut, you know, more sweet and candy-like than floral-like. So if you like vanilla, check this out. Really good vanilla smell, on point. I got a Kale water makeup remover. I haven't tried this yet, but like I said, I have sensitive skin, and a lot of makeup removers really irritate me, which is why I usually just wash my face with Bronner's bar soap, because that never irritates me and it takes off the makeup fine. But I figured, why not give this a shot? And last is this Rose Flower facial mist. It says you could spray on a foundation brush or a sponge to use with foundation to give it some more hydration and moisture, or you could just spray on your face throughout the day for a wake me up. So I'm gonna give this a try. And that was everything, I think. There was so much stuff here. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. So yeah, I went a little cray-cray, like I said, but I stocked up on some essentials that I was out of, and I also really wanted to try some of their new products. And check down below for more information, and if you haven't tried a Pacifica product yet, I highly recommend it. They sell it at Target, Ulta, you can buy it online. I'm trying to think where else. I mean, who doesn't shop at Target? So if you have a Target by you, go check out some of their products. And yeah, Pacifica, I just, you know, thank you for making great products. Keep up the good work. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more beauty hauls and makeup things, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye!